Hey everyone, welcome to Sandsboro. It's a little past 7 a.m. and I'm gonna go for a run slash small hike or a walk. I guess a bit of both, a bit of everything, and I'm just planning on meditating and praying outside. The sun is slowly coming up, which is great. I'm really happy about that. And I kind of just want to welcome the morning and in the outside and just open up myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a walk. I need some water. For some reason, I shouldn't say for some reason, but I'm just overjoyed at the very moment, and I feel so happy inside. I love when I wake up and it's super quiet, and I feel like I have the morning to myself, and it's just a beautiful feeling, a very calming, and especially with everything going on right now, I appreciate having such a calm and quiet morning to myself where I'm not rushing and doing little things to get ready. So yeah. These flowers right here from the outside, I love picking wildflowers. There's just something magical about them and real for me that just does something to my space. If you're into getting store-bought flowers, that's also another option, but there's just something about wild plants that just makes me so excited, and just to see them in my space definitely brings I guess I'm kind of inviting the wild inside my room, and that in itself is my goal, and it makes me super happy. So yeah, it's very, very common. I think it's so important to do things that makes you happy and not to follow what everyone else is doing. And in my big age, I am learning that ever so much. That when I realize that when I try to conform and I try to be, or try to put myself in a box, that I struggle internally, and I have a very hard time. I just have a very hard time. And I find that the more I'm authentic and true to myself, that I feel a lot more happier, and I'm just trying to work on that. I'm trying to work on speaking my truth and being honest with myself while being honest with others. Yeah, I'm all set. Get some sunscreen for over my ears, because that's also very important. I'm happy. It's so quiet, and there's hardly anyone here. I am slightly elevated from the ground, but surrounded by nature, and I'm hearing the birds sing. I'm hearing the cars pass. I'm just, seeing the breeze touch the tree leaves and everything. The cricket. I'm just really thankful to be alive, to honestly be alive. As much as it all is just very chaotic, I am really thankful to be alive. I'm thankful that I'm able to witness the Most High's creation daily as He gives me the opportunity to witness it. It's not of my own merit why I'm up. Right now I'm actually looking at a spider web just kind of flow in the wind, and it's so perfect. Sometimes I wish I was like further out in the deep somewhere where there's natural water, and just to hear that and to be able to witness that, I would be at peace within myself. I am in peace right now. Just watching everything around me, I am about to give my morning to the Lord God and start my day. But everything right now just seems very perfect, and I'm glad that I'm enclosed and surrounded by trees. And the sunlight is like peeping through. It's so beautiful. But I think it's, in all the craziness, it's super important to set your intentions and follow through. And not only for the sake of following through, but I think following through for yourself. So setting intentions that are super important to you, and then you yourself following through, showing yourself that you're putting yourself first, whether it be, just taking time out to ground yourself before the hecticness start. That's considered life. I dream of a simple life. I dream of a life where I'm not forced to do things because society says that's what you need to do. I'm gonna go do what I have to do.